everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we will just try to find out what is YouTube TV's Enjoy the Zen feature. So as you can see that this is the Enjoy the Zen feature that is provided by YouTube TV. So this is a new YouTube TV channel that recognizes the popularity of ambient videos on the internet. So by flipping over the YouTube TV Zen, you can watch a stream of relaxing content featuring pleasant things like landscapes, baby animals, and soft sounds. Now, in order to add the Zen channel in your YouTube TV, you will have to simply come on YouTube TV, and here you just have to simply click on this search icon in the top right hand corner and search for Zen or Zen channels, or you can even just simply paste this URL and then you will be redirected on this page where you can click on this plus icon and you can add Zen on your YouTube TV channel. You can even just go into the settings and in the live guide section you can find a YouTube Zen channel and you can then add it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.